Hello you lovely lot, let's talk about adding colour into your makeup. Now a lot of people can feel quite self-conscious if they change their regular makeup and they add a bit of colour and they don't want to waste money on it. But if you're wearing like a simple colour, like a t-shirt, a black dress or a shirt like mine, it's a really nice way to just kind of update your look or change your look by adding a pop of colour into your makeup. It's like completing the piece of jewellery to finish your outfit. And it's something that we should all have fun with. And you know, if you're buying the right colours and textures that suit your skin type and your preference, like if you're a bit shy of colour, then go for a gloss or go for a balm. But if you're confident with colour, then go for a lovely, beautiful velvet matte. But it's how you combine these colours, or how do you combine these colours to make the finished look contemporary. Well, again, it's all about simplicity and making sure that you're keeping the beauty in your face. So I've just done a little bit of base, a little bit of powder and concealer and my brows and mascara just to keep it speedy. And I want to create this lovely cerise pop of colour on my lips. Again, I'll be using a liquid lipstick because I love the way that it really shapes the lips and lasts. And if you haven't tried the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil, then I urge you to go and have a little test on counter. It is another one of those products that make you go, mmm. And I think that is the big tick when you're choosing a product. Right, first of all, because I'm going to have colour in my lips, I'm going to add a little bit more colour to my cheeks. I'm not going to go neutral. So with my eyes, I'm going to use a product called Eye Polish by RMS. And it's a cream eyeshadow and it's really neutral, very kind of soft and metallic, and it can be easier to apply. But first, I trick you because I'm going to do something else. Just to give my eyes a little bit of definition, I'm going to go in with one of my favourite pencils. This is Rimmel Scandaleyes, and you can see it's very creamy, and I'm just literally going to wedge that right to the base of my lashes. Now I'm going to smudge it out because obviously that's not perfect, but I need to pull my eye to make sure that it's smooth. But I'm just creating the effect of a slightly heavier top lash there, just to give me a little bit of shape. But I'm doing it before I put the cream on because I don't really want it to be like a heavy lined look, because I think if you're wearing cream eyeshadow, it's just nice to kind of keep it really soft. This isn't about a defined look. This is just really elegant and soft because you've got the pop of colour on your lips, and if you kind of go for a really defined socket and make your eye look perfect, then it ends up looking a bit dressy and then a little bit dated. So there's the smudge of colour. And if you want to, again, just take the warmth of your finger just to break it up so there's no harsh line. But just make sure that it's not thick enough. If you've got quite small lids, you might want to just take it on the outside and put it out as a little triangle each side to give your eyes a little bit of width, so you can change where you put the soft grey depending on your eye shape. Right, let me use my synthetic brush to apply this. This is Zoeva Cream Shader, and the reason it's synthetic is that I want it to be quite firm. I don't want it to absorb any of the oil in the product. And I love a glistening lid. I'm just going to take that all the way up into the brow so that it diffuses nicely. I'm not going to go over the cream shade, I'm just going to sort of connect them together. Again, you can put this on with your finger, and this really just creates a lovely light. And it's not really glossy, it gives a nice metallic light effect to the eyes. It's hard, I love the glossy lid, but it can feel a bit sticky, and obviously gravity does pull it down. So I keep going back to this lovely RMS one. They do different shades as well, but this is a lovely neutral if you're doing something stronger. Here you go, just using that brush to place this beautiful metallic product just over your tear duct there. Really brightens and lightens the eyes. Great tip if you're feeling tired. Conceal, add a bit of lightness in the inner corner of your eyes, and it makes all the difference. Now, for those of you who follow my Instagram, you will know that I love these Jillian Dempsey cheek tints. It's a vegan brand. They are so soft. I love all the shades together. This is Rosy. I've got that right? Yeah. Rosy Rose. And I'm going to apply this just underneath my pupil. That's the apple of my cheek, but just a little bit higher than that, so it's more flushy. Now it's got a really great colour payoff. They're not too slippy. Some creams that you can put on, cream coloured blushes, go on really soft and smooth, and then you look in the mirror half an hour later and you've got nothing left. But these give a lovely injection of colour, and they last really well. And they're just ultra feminine. They've got beautiful shades, apricot, kind of nudie colour, which is my favourite. You all know my favourite ones. I've got a Max Factor one and a Laura Mercier one I like. Maybe I should do like a little natural cheek film. But there you are, just lifts. And anything that you put pink on your cheeks always brings out the whites of your eyes and teeth. So if you're feeling a bit grey and subdued, it's always quite a nice colour to add to your complexion to give you a little bit of brightness. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Velvet Bourjois liquid lipstick, and this is 05. It's such a pretty colour. I'm going to apply it straight from the angled doe foot, and again, any liquid lipstick, apply with your lips really, really tight. Pat together, stretch your lips, and then very gradually push the pigment to the edge of your lip line. Now this formula is not too liquidy, so it allows you to spread the colour very gently, but it doesn't slip too much at the same time. Keep pushing it forward, and then go for the balance on your lips. I will use a lip brush in a minute, but the applicator is so good. Right, so lips together, just soften that, and then I always try and make the top of my lip line here just a little bit fuller, just a little bit more. It's not going over my lip line per se, it's just filling out that shape to get balance. Good, nice. Again, so I take my ring finger, really soften the pigment into your lips. Great, now I'm going to take a little bit and I'm just going to put it on my hand. Right, now this lip brush is, what's the number of this one? It's a My Kitco one, and it's completely flat. So it's really helpful at getting nice angles on your Cupid's bow. I don't like the pointy ones as much because it builds up too much product. Just soften that. Now you can see really how much colour this brings to my eyes. It has such a lovely brightening effect. I should probably do a comparison picture actually of before and after, because the colour looks quite scary when you put it on, but once you've softened it, you've taken away the hard edges, it becomes much more wearable. So I think in my experience, when people put makeup on, they're sort of so shocked at the change. They go, oh no, it's not me. Straight away they make a decision. It's like, okay, let me just put it on properly. Just let it get used to your face and your skin, let it adapt. And then the products tend to sort of morph with your face, and you know, you get used to seeing your face like that as well. So what I'm saying is, don't judge whether it looks good on you or not. Ask a friend, an honest friend. All my friends are very honest, which I think is so important. As you can see, the way that I'm still massaging my lips together, it's still really soft, it's not tight, it's not pulling my lips together like raisins. And I just keep, make sure my ring finger's clean. I could do with a few ring fingers. There we are. Just to make sure that that is not hard on me. I don't like it because I don't have a really strong lip bone. So lovely, you can finish it there if you like. You can also use this on your cheeks if you felt that you wanted to use that colour. Again, that's a lovely way of really unifying your makeup by bringing the colour on your cheeks, onto your lips, or just having flattering colours. Really ties everything together, doesn't have anything too contrasty or too busy on your lips. Anyway, I think I have all of these shades. I don't think I have the clear one, because in my handbag, in the car, in another handbag, because I love the doe foot. It's so big. And it just is so comforting. Exactly what it says on the tin. And you massage that in. Now, because it's a liquid lip, it stays put. Obviously, a little trick. Suck your finger. You shouldn't get any colour now on your teeth, which is obviously essential. Nothing worse than thinking when you're talking to someone, oh God, I've got lipstick on my teeth. But I think this is a really quick, simple way. Both of these products are really easy to get, and you can use the same product. You can actually just buy the Bourjois, for instance, the liquid lip, and you could use that on your cheeks, and you could just add any lip balm you've got over the top to recreate this look. Go and chuck on something really simple, something neutral. Don't make your hair too big, keep your hair quite simple, and see whether you can actually go, oh, actually I never would have worn bright pink on my lips, but I actually quite like it. And please let me know, because I love getting your feedback. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Chat soon.